yesterday I was talking on my live, and a lot of you were having questions about neck pain symptoms and how to get rid of them. So this is the ball exercise that I was discussing at that time. So you just take a ball, like a big ball, or you can use a pillow if you don't have that. And what you're going to do is you're going to lay down on a flat surface, and then you put your head back on the pillow with your neck right at where the pillow ends, just like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the ball and you're going to come up overhead, and when you get all the way to the top, you're going to tuck your chin down like that. Don't pick your head up. It's really important that you don't pick your head up. You just kind of go back like that, and then you just let your chin go, and then just bring the ball back to your knees. Now you're going to do this 10 times, and after you're finished with the 10th time, you're going to hold the ball right in front of your chin, and then you're going to go side to side. Keep looking up at the ceiling. Do not change your position of your head. And then after you do that 10 times, you're going to rotate the ball halfway. And that's 1 rep, and you're going to do 10 of those. And when you do this, what you're doing is you're helping to reset the vertebrae in your back to a place where they won't hurt anymore. Because what happens is the vertebrae in your back aren't lined up on top of each other. They're kind of pushed in front of each other. But when you lay down and you do that, what you're doing is you're pushing it back where it belongs. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions.